gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Is that Mama's Hermes package being delivered? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my PM or nighttime skincare routine for oily and acne prone or acneic skin. So if you want to see all the products that are really essential to me in my routine for the spring and summertime, because those 2 months go hand in hand, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I know that I do hide the likes from being seen publicly, but I can see them and YouTube gets them, and liking these videos, if you enjoy them of course, helps to boost my channel to the rest of the world, which I greatly appreciate. So let's move on into our routine. Ooh, I almost thought I forgot one of the hallmark items in my routine. So we're gonna start with a little backstory about my skin. If you've been watching any of my other skincare videos, which there are tons on my channel, probably hundreds, I have really oily skin, specifically in the spring and summertime. We are in the summertime right now and it is hot, hot, hot in Atlanta. That just makes me even more oily and it makes me just melt. So at the end of the day, my skin is just crying to come off. I also have acne prone skin or acneic skin. I break out all the time. Now, my skin is doing really well right now. I've been using a lot of products to purge my skin. Let me know down below if you'd like to see kind of like the purging products for my acne routine. I feel like just recently I've gotten a grasp on my acne. I was previously breaking out every day. I have been under an immense amount of stress and yeah, my skin does not react well to stress. So I have some items in my arsenal that really help me. Now, my skincare routine has transformed in the past however many years that I've been here on YouTube. Right now, it's very simple, but that's what works for me. Well, it might not be simple to some of you all, but to me, this is quite simple. So the first thing I do after a long night is cleanse my skin. I double cleanse if I'm wearing makeup. So a day like today, when I have on a full face of makeup, I will use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that recently I switched over to cleansing balms from makeup wipes just because I'm really on this mission to be more sustainable. Now, I know that everything that I do is not going to be very friendly to the planet, but I like doing my part here and where I can. Using a cleansing balm has been really important for me. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You're not going to be able to see it too much just because of the lighting, but it is a waxy balm. Now, this is not my favorite cleansing balm. I did recently try the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm. I'll link that down below. That is what I'll be purchasing when this is done. But for the price, this was nice. I think the Pharmacy is maybe a few dollars more expensive. I like to be as cost effective as I can, but this is the first cleansing of my skin if I'm wearing makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup, I go right into this cleanser, and this is my Lather Blemish Control Cleansing Gel. Now, the interesting thing about this product is that it does not contain salicylic acid. Traditionally, I like using a cleanser with salicylic acid at night because I've had a lot of makeup on, possibly. My skin is very oily, usually, and I really want to strip my face and rid it of all oil, makeup, bacteria, and impurities. And I really specifically like salicylic acid because it is a BHA and it gets deep down into those pores and helps to purge anything within them. So this doesn't have salicylic acid. It really has witch hazel and aloe, but it's very soothing, calming, and herbal, and I've been enjoying this. I did a collaboration with Lather, and this is something I will continue to repurchase. Now, when I am cleansing my skin, I use my Clean Skin Club towels, which are my favorites. So if you've been watching my channel since last August, I use these each and every time I cleanse my skin. Now, if you have just traditional acne and maybe you don't have hormonal acne and cystic acne, using something like this is really going to help your skin. These are single-use clean towels. They're very large. I'll show you how big they are. They're large and plush. If you're using paper towels like my mom was, you will see a huge difference when you switch to these. You can hear how thick and strong they are. Now, I'm not someone that likes repurchasing things. I always say that it feels like a bill, but I have faithfully repurchased these with my own money since last August. I believe I've put my mom onto them, so many of you guys, and I truly believe in these now. Like I said, I have hormonal acne and cystic acne. That means my acne comes from within. So using something like this alone is not going to fix or cure my acne. But if you're someone who was using one towel all week, you will see a difference in your skin because each time you wash your face, you have a fresh, clean cloth. Now, I use one towel for the morning. I rinse it out and use it at night just to have these last a little longer. That's just a tip, but do what works for you. So I do my first cleansing with my cleansing balm if I'm wearing makeup, and my second cleansing with my lather cleanser. Now, if it's a week where I've been wearing makeup really consistently throughout the week, I will use my Foreo Luna 3. This is a smart cleansing device that you can hook up to your phone. There are varying levels of intensity, and this really helps to get deep in your pores and give them a nice cleanse. It has silicone nubs, which I call them, so it's very hypoallergenic, and it's great for those of us like myself who have acne-prone skin. So that's my cleansing routine. After cleansing, I will go on to serums. I will link a video I did down below about the order of which to apply your skincare. You always go from cleansing to toners to serums to moisturizers, and you go from thinnest consistency to thickest consistency. So the all-in-one serum that I love is my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Fine lines, wrinkles, texture, everything, pores. It is an all-in-one anti-aging product. I know some people think that you don't need an anti-aging product when you're my age, in my 30s. I started using this in my 20s, or products like this. My rule of thumb is the moment you start manipulating your skin, i.e. makeup, you need anti-aging products, because every moment that you get older, your body is decaying. I love this. It works wonders for me. It's an all-in-one anti-aging serum, and I've repurchased it again and again and again. Love it. After that, I will use my retinol. Now, you can apply this before your anti-aging serum or after. I traditionally do it after. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM Night Serum. I love this because it has a super thin consistency. It's like thinner than water, and I know that's hard to believe, but it is. Retinol is the most important ingredient in your skincare routine besides using a sunscreen. Well, sunscreen's a product, but retinol is amazing. Retinol pretty much speeds up your skin's cell turnover rate. I always use the example, when you're 75 and you get a cut or a bruise on your face, it's gonna take longer, meaning more days, to heal and have your skin regenerate new cells, versus when you're 17 and you get a cut or a scrape, it's gonna take less time. But if you use a retinol, you can speed up that skin cell turnover rate, which is important. If you have hyperpigmentation, melasma, acne, signs of aging, anything like that, or if you just love anti-aging products overall, a retinol is going to be your best friend. This is a godsend. I will always use a retinol in my routine, and I have been using this one for probably almost a decade. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, then after that, I use this toner, and I know toners are supposed to come before serums, but let me tell you why I include it in this stage. This is the Clean Skin Club Clean Slate Clearing Mist. I also have a coupon code for these Clean Skin Club products, and I'll link them down below. Well, they sent it to me actually. Sometimes I work with them and they send me products, but I would repurchase this, and I have about this much left. It does not usually happen this quickly. It takes me a lot longer to use up my products, but this is like a booster product. So I like using this product when I'm just feeling like I have a lot of clogged pores and a lot of acne, and I need something with salicylic acid to spray on top of my skincare to give my skin an added boost of acne protection or acne fighting ingredients. That's how I use this. I love it, love it, love it. It is pricey for a mist, but it contains salicylic acid, I believe 2%. So I think it's worth it, and I will absolutely purchase this again. Now, one product that I ran out of is my Paula's Choice Azelaic Acid Booster. I would traditionally use that before this toner. That is the best spot treatment for my acne that I have ever used. Like I said, I have hormonal acne, I get cystic acne. Azelaic acid has been amazing at treating my acne and also clearing up any texture. Like, that works so much better than benzoyl peroxide, and you know it's amazing because it's always sold out. I actually post about it every week on Skincare Sunday in my Instagram stories. I'll link my Instagram across the screen. Well, I'll put it across the screen and link it down below. Paula's Choice reached out to me and told me it'll be available early July because I am craving it. My skin has not had it in a few days and I thrive off of it. Azelaic acid is a newer ingredient in my skincare routine that works much better than the topical spot treatments like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. And I like that that one is non-greasy and it doesn't bleach anything, so I can wear it during the day and at night. So I love that product, but unfortunately I'm out. Last two products. my moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer for night. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now, it's not the Magic Night Cream, but because I have oily skin, I tend to kind of alter my routine, well, alter the products and fit them into my routine where it makes most sense. So I use a more emollient cream that would traditionally be for a day cream at night because that works for me and my oily skin. If you want your skin to glow and be smooth and brightened and hydrated, if you're gonna be taking photos or doing something on camera, wear this the night before. I mean, I wear it every night. It is amazing. Now, it is very expensive. I think the larger container that I purchased is about $100. So I always purchase it during the Sephora sale for 20% off. This is everything. I didn't want to love it because it's $100 for a moisturizer, but I see a huge difference in the texture and clarity of my skin and the suppleness and the hydration. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, which is amazing for hydration and boosting your skin's moisture barrier. So I will always repurchase this. Where I am right now in my age category, this is perfect. I don't see myself using a $200 cream until I'm like in my 40s, but I love this. Okay, and last but not least is my lip mask. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I use this every night. I love it. It's thick, it's hydrating. Now, when I'm not using this, I'll use my Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. I'll pop a picture in the screen. I mainly use that during the day. I have it in my bag, at my desk, car, on my vanity, everywhere. But I specifically like this for nighttime, but I will use this during the day as well. Really, really hydrating. It's expensive, but it's worth it, and I love it. I will never stop repurchasing this. Love it. So you guys, those are all of the products that I use currently in my spring and summer skincare routine for the nighttime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've used some of these same products. Do you love them? Do you hate them? I welcome all opinions, thoughts, and concerns and everything of the sort. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.